Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the RPM Eurogames wired gaming controller. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product itself. Over here, we can see the RPM Eurogames branding. Underneath, we can see the wired gaming controller branding along with the slogan that says just plug and play. Over here, we can see that an additional vibration software is available for this product on this website. On the right hand side of the packaging, we have some RPM Eurogames branding, and there is nothing on the left hand side. On the top, we have some more branding about the wired gaming controller and the slogan just plug and play. On the bottom, we have the contents of the box, which include the one PC controller and one manual. We can also see the image of the controller once again and the image of the manual. On the back of the box is where some technical specifications of the products are, so let's go through them one by one. 10 keys, 2 analog sticks and an home button. The connection type is a USB 2.0 high-speed wired connection. It is compatible with Android, PS3, Microsoft Windows version 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. It supports X input and D input. It can be used with Android using an OTG cable. It has dual vibration motors that give a rumble effect for realistic gaming. It has a slip resistant grip. So basically when you are gaming and if your palms turn sweaty, the controller will still be firmly placed in your hand. And it is a lightweight device weighing in at 215 grams. Over here we have the generic name of the product, which is wired gaming controller for PC. The net quantity is mentioned as well. Underneath that we have some information about the manufacturing and importing. And over here we have the customer care details. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. As mentioned earlier, all you get in the box is the game controller itself and a user manual. This can basically help you get started with using the product and understanding the various keys and functions of the controller. Getting to the controller, we can see that it has a matte black plastic finish all across the controller, except here in the middle around the Eurogames RPM logo, which is a glossy black. In terms of buttons, we have the D-pad right here, the analog sticks with a rubberized finish, and we have the A, B and XY buttons on the right. Additionally, we also have the home button right here in the middle. We have the start button next to the Y button and the select button next to the D-pad. On the top, we have the L1, R1 and L2, R2 buttons. The buttons seem to be pretty clicky. We can see that it has a black round cord. Measuring the cord reveals that it is approximately 64 inches long. We also counted the USB Type A interface in the length. So this was the unboxing of the RPM Eurogames wired gaming controller. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.